following counties in Nebraska, Fillmore and Fair. Tornado watch number 709 remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
Well, there's that. The expansion of the watch. Was unable to get it. Besides, it would have been too far away anyway. I was at work, so I couldn't get that. Hang on a second. Okay, hang on a second. I gotta pull up IamBot again. Let's take a look at this here. So yeah, that was for Hastings. The tornado watch was also there's a missile discussion concerning about that watch, but man, right there, you see, it include Fillmore, Polk, Thayer, and York. There's always some stuff going on currently, but too far away to get those. It's quickly starting to roll in already. We got another one coming in. So it's been a hot minute since we're last getting a major event like this. I mean, like, I don't know exactly what's gonna happen once it rolls over here.